We're going to study the verb ser, which means to be in English. And this verb is in the infinitive form right now.
What's an infinitive?
An infinitive is the original form of the verb, or in other words, when the verb is not conjugated.
Wait. What does conjugated mean?
Conjugating is when we change the endings of the verb to go with the subject or the personal pronoun doing the action.
Hold on. Can you give me an example in English?
Sure. You're doing the same thing in English when you say this is the verb to be, and then you conjugate it and you say I am, you are, he is, we are, etc.
Okay. So I am, you are, that's conjugated, and to be is infinitive?
Exactly.
Now how does this all work in Spanish?
Well, we have it here with the verb in infinitive form, and we conjugate it. We put the personal pronouns in front of the verb, and each one is followed by the form of the verb that goes with that pronoun. For instance, for I am, we'll say yo soy. Tú eres for you are, and that's the informal too. And then the third person singular, we have three of them. Él es, which is he is. Ella es, which is she is. And usted es, which is you are. We need to translate it like that, even though this is you and then is. But in correct English, we have to say you are. So the formal you moves into the third person singular. And then we have the plurals on this side, more than one person doing an action. So we have nosotros, which is we, are, somos. Nosotros somos. And then the plural third persons are ellos, son, they are, masculine or masculine and feminine in a group, males and females. And ellas son, they are, all females. And ustedes son, you all are.
So we just have to memorize the conjugations of that verb?
I think you can say that, and also if you put it into practice, you would remember it probably a little bit better.
Is it as hard when we learn other verbs?
I think it's a lot easier if you're learning regular verbs. This happens to be an irregular verb, so each form is different. But when you're using regular verbs, there is a pattern. That's pretty easy.
So there's hope it'll get easier.
Exactly.